So ayun, welcome to day 3 of Iloilo trip. And today, jam pack ang schedule natin. And syempre, tingnan nyo yung service ko. Yung dream car ko. So ayun, super excited. Let's go. Update ko kayo pagdating sa first destination. So we're on our way na at nadaanan namin to. Wait lang. Wait. Allergy pa more. Nadaanan namin to. Ang ganda. Hey. Gimbal, our little hometown, the town of the rising sun and suns. Mag-picture lang tayo saglit. Then we'll be on our way. Sobrang pogi. Sobrang pogi niya, guys. Sobrang pogi. Lord, baka naman po. So, excited na po ako na magkaroon ng sarili kong Wigo. So, we arrived na here after 1.5 hours. Thank you, Wigo. Welcome to Garin Farm. Picture ko lang. So, ito yung entrance nila. Entrance is 150. Outside food and drinks are not allowed. May accommodation din. So, upon arrival, magbabayad ng entrance fee, accommodation, if you want. And then, ayan na. 150 pesos lang naman yung entrance fee. And ito yung entrance nila. Anong tawag dito? Yung ganun-ganun na mga halaman. So, base sa sign, tingnan nyo, miracle fruit daw siya. Pwede kaya itong hawakan? Para lang siyang lukban or buko. But anyways, let's go. Since nasa farm tayo, literal na farm pala siya talaga. So, ayun, i-expect nyo talaga na foul odor. Normal na amoy ng farm. Kambing, manok. Natatanaw ko na yung pilgrimage ba yon? Ano bang tawag? Pilgrimage. So natatanaw ko na siya. Nandun siya. Pero medyo malayo kung lalakarin. May option na mag-golf cart. 60 pesos. Para makarating kayo dun. Unahin lang namin siyang puntahan. Bago libutin yung ibang lugar. Kasi paakyat siya. Baka mapagod na agad. Dito ba yung daan? Okay, yuko siya. So para siyang kamay ni Jesus. So, ayan, may ganyan. So, this is it. We're going to climb the stairs up to the top. Walang nakalagay kung ilang steps. Try natin bilangin. Ready? Ready? Ready. Let's go. So, may way dito para sa tao. Para sa mga mahihina ang tuhod. Okay, let's start. Bilangin natin ha. Update ko kayo. From there to here to Jerusalem. 200 steps. From there to here. Estimated ko 400 to. So let's start again. 413. Konti na lang. 455. 456. Kasama yung first step. 455 steps. Parang triple nung sa kamay ni Jesus. Pahinga tayo saglit. So, dito sa taas, meron siyang tunnel. So, pwede nyo yan basahin habang tinatawid natin. So, let's go. Please observe complete silence. We are at the entrance. Let's go. Oh no. So, wala na tayong makita. Thank you. almost out.
Karen, picture mo ako ng...
Wow.
Para akong nasa heaven.
Wow. So, ayun guys. Kung pupunta din kayo dito, sure nyo na magbaon kayo, magdala kayo ng shades nyo. Sobrang sakit sa mata kasi sobrang puti. So, sobrang sakit sa mata niya talaga. At, pampahid nyo ng pawis kasi sobrang init! Ayun lang, maganda siya pero sobrang init. Sakit sa mata, gawa nung pintura niya. Sobrang nagre-reflect yung araw. So, huwag nyo na lang kalimutan yung shades nyo. Okay? Here's the inside. So, after natin dito sa taas, at matapos kayong magdasal, magpicture, there is a guided way here. Watch your step. And back to the world. We'll rest a bit before we go back. Kasi 450 steps ulit yan pagbaba. Pahinga lang tayo. Another 455 steps, but going down this time. Let's go. May option din na mag-golf cart na kayo pagbaba kung hindi nyo na kayang maglakad. Pero yun na nga yung pinunta nyo dito eh, yung hagdan eh. So, tiyagain na natin. So, ayun lang ang problema. Pag sobrang agap ka dito sa pilgrimage, mahihirapan ka nang lumabas. Just like us. So, nagkakagulo ngayon sa parking. Nahanapan nila yung driver nitong kotse. What if nasa taas pa, 'di ba? So, yun lang. Medyo hindi organized yung parking dito. Take note. So, after the pilgrimage, our next destination is Miagao Church. We arrive at our next destination, which is the Malo Mansion, and it's so hard to get out of the car because there's a lot of incoming vehicles. And nagpark lang kasi ako dito sa gilid ng kalsada because I don't know if they have a parking inside. So ito, okay naman siya. I think we're good. So let's go. Ano pong ingredients ng pancit mo?
Different price ng Chinese, so we call Chinese dumplings. Alam yung parang siomai is like ball.
Okay.
Yun yung parang kalok.
Wala pong option for beef or...
Wala.
They came up to the heaven to ask for help because American they feel it.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Kaminya Balay nga Bato. So, may entrance fee na 200. May kasama ng tour and refillable na chocolate de Baterol. Tapos binigyan kami ng ganito, bell. So, pag gusto daw magpa-refill, i-ring lang yung bell. Hindi lang kami nag-order ng pancit molo kasi pork. So, na-serve na ang chocolate de Baterol. And it's so cute. At least pwede i-refill. Tingnan nyo. So, upon serving ng chocolate de Baterol, may kasama na siyang biscuit. Alam nyo yung kasama? Balat lechon. Balat lechon. Butter cookies. Diba? Tikman natin. Gusto ko isasaw-saw siya. Malapot siya. Medyo matamis lang yung chocolate de Baterol. Try natin balat lechon.
And the ceiling before is
Magta-try tayo magpa-refill. So let's get the magic bell. Baka iba yung lumapit. Wala naman. Wala naman nalapit. Wala naman. Ay! Ay, lumapit na. Dapat pala lalakasan. Thank you po. Ano po ba ang best seller?
ito ano yung kalahating milk,
At-
kalahating coffee.
Ay.
Pero kung gusto nyo matikman yung ano namin, yung traditional coffee, ito yung black na coffee lang siya.
Hanggang 2026 po akong gising nito. So, ayun, nandito tayo ngayon sa Glory's Cafe, kung saan dito natin pwede ma-experience ang traditional na pag-brewed ng coffee. And libre lang siya, kaya ilalaban natin to. Amazing! Ayan. Ay, sorry. Thank you. So, ayun. Sobrang saya. Sobrang saya, guys, ng experience. And this is the coffee na ginawa natin. So, strong coffee to. And now, we'll taste. Ano talaga siya? Yung brewed coffee talaga. Lasang-lasa mo yung beans. Sobrang sarap. Hindi siya ganun kapait. Saktong-sakto lang yung tapang niya. And also the mug. It's giving makalumang panahon talaga. Order din ako ng cheesy toast. Kasi bago daw sa menu nila to. So, ito try natin. So, ito siya. Chiren! Ngayon, moment of truth. May pag-labs si Mayor. So, this is what it looks like. A toast with a cheese. Feeling ko match na match to dito sa Kaping Barako. Let's try it. Ang sarap nito, guys. Match na match siya dun sa Kaping Barako. Let's go na. Thank you po. Speculoos malt and dark chocolate. Tapos, pinalagyan ko ng caramel syrup. Sarap. Lumpiang toge. Mm. Five pieces, 159. Then we have beef Shanghai with sweet and spicy dip. Let's try. Ano kaya ang lasa ng lumpiang gulay pag sinawsaw natin sa sweet and spicy sauce? Try. Okay lang. So we are down to the last two destinations for our itinerary for today. Second to the last will be Cap Ising's Pancit Molo. So medyo mahirap makita yung Cap Ising's Pancit Molo kasi look at the daan. Hindi ko alam kung ito talaga yung daan. But as you can see, we are walking inside Cap Ising's Pancit Molo. So, unfortunately, we won't be able to make tikim the Kapising's famous pancit molo because it's pork. Yes, it's pork. So, cannot be. Nandito tayo ngayon sa last destination for our itinerary for our third day in Iloilo, which is the Entra Señora de la Candelaria National Shrine. And we're on another stairs, non-stop stairs. But we don't have a choice. Let's climb the stairs. And this is the stairs. No, these are the stairs. Ta-da! So we need to climb up to have a good look. Okay, let's keep quiet. They're praying. To have a good look at this tower. So, ayun na guys. Thank you for coming with me for this third day of our Iloilo trip, and we'll head home now and just take a quick swim sa free pool. Then tomorrow is our departure back in Manila.